Hey Paul, it's Danielle from Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. I hope all is well. Hope everything's going okay with the moving of your office. Here I have a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado work truck. It's only got 12,000 miles on it. It is super clean. Got that built-in bed liner, 6-cylinder, 4.3 liter. Summit white. Okay, very clean. This would be ideal for work. It's got gray interior in it. Also got the vinyl floors as well. So, sorry, can't see it, and I couldn't locate the keys. But also, I have a 2014 2500 Duramax 6.6 liter diesel. I got a great price on this vehicle as well. Alrighty. Again, this one's got about 109,000 miles. Duramax. Got those running boards on it. Be a great work truck for you. It's got that towing package on it. It is super clean as well. So Paul, I know you're a busy man, but I'm still keeping my eyes open for you. So here's 2 work trucks that may work for you. If so, just please contact me back at your convenience. Again, this is Danielle from Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. 706-453-2500, okay? I definitely hope to hear back from you better sooner than later. I would hate for someone to take advantage of both of these great vehicles. So please contact me back here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Thanks, Paul.